Has this ever been you? You sluggish at work? And that dreaded 3 p.m. crash? Don't reach for the brew. Try something new.
Try a coconut fat bomb. It's lit. Let me break this down for you. When you hit that 3 o'clock slump and your energy drops, these coconut fat bombs are gonna give you that long-lasting, slow-burning energy that your body really needs. Coconut fat bombs are perfect for before and after workouts. You got sugar cravings? Eat a fat bomb instead. Stuck in traffic?
Serious right now with that?
Hangry? Come on! Are you kidding me? Eat a coconut fat bomb. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make 2 different versions of the same coconut fat bomb. They're really versatile, and once you start making one of these 2 recipes, you'll be able to start making all kinds of amazing flavors. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a lemon vanilla and lime and mint. Here is something that you will definitely need to make this recipe. A mini muffin tin or a silicone mold. You'll also need some little parchment liners for your molds. Okay, first step, we have to make the coconut base. We're gonna use organic unsweetened coconut chips. So we have 8 ounces in this bag, which will be absolutely perfect. In my high-powered food processor, I'm gonna go ahead and just dump this whole bag. So all 8 ounces. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. We're gonna keep pulsing it and just scraping down the sides until it gets this beautiful, smooth, butter-like consistency. I'm gonna go ahead and just scrape down the sides, and then we're just gonna keep pulsing. Check it one last time. And this is exactly what we're going for. It's thick, but it's really creamy, it's really smooth, and it's spreadable. All right, now I've got some virgin coconut oil that's unrefined, organic, all the things. We need a half a cup of this. Okay, so now we're just gonna add the coconut oil to the coconut butter and stir it in, and that's pretty much it. This is the base of our bomb, and then you can flavor it with whatever you want. And today I'm gonna show you those 2 different flavors. So I just divided that mixture into 2 different bowls. It's around a half a cup in each bowl, give or take. For the first one, I'm gonna zest and juice this whole lemon. I like them really lemony and tart. I'm just gonna take half of this vanilla bean, since they're like $1 bazillion. Split it down the middle. Well, let me use this little guy as best I can. Gonna scrape all these beans off. And then I'll do the same with the other one. And now we're just gonna mix this all up really well. And you'll start to see all the little vanilla beans just slowly coming out of that clump, and just looks like little pepper flakes in here. To sweeten or not to sweeten? That is the question. So if you're detoxing from sugar, this is ready to go. Just put it in the molds, we're done. If, however, you are not detoxing from sugar and you want that little bit of sweetness to take the edge off of all that citrus, a little tiny teaspoon of honey in this mixture will just set it off. Do you like mojitos? Next flavor, mint and lime. I'm just gonna zest and juice 1 whole lime. We're just gonna cut up some mint leaves. I have just like 3 sprigs here. Roll it tight and just cut it as fine as you can. So you have these nice little pieces. I might run it over one more time. Now you're just gonna take all of the liners and line all the molds. Now I'm just gonna start filling the molds. I'm gonna do half with one flavor and half with the other. Now they're ready to go in the fridge. So we took these out of the fridge. They were in there about an hour. They're fully set up, because coconut oil solidifies in like 5 seconds. Which one do you want?
Okay, I got the mojito one.
Lemon, vanilla.
Lime and mint.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I can't talk.
These things are packed with flavor.
They're so good.
Really refreshing. It's filling.
It cuts that craving of like, I want something sweet. When your blood sugar drops, like the fat will just bring it back to this beautiful, wonderful level.
Mellow you out.
Give you so much energy. And the even more awesome part is they will last at least 2 or 3 months in your fridge. And then if you put them in the freezer, like just in a Ziploc or in an airtight container, 6 months, like maybe longer.
We carry these around with us when we're out and about for long periods of time.
In a cooler bag.
Yeah, and it just really helps to like get through the day. These are perfect for that.
They're amazing and they taste so good. I would love to hear what you guys make.
Yes, always. We encourage you guys to write in the comment section, communicate with us about your recipes. We'd love to learn from you guys.
Send us your pictures on our Facebook page, Two Chefs.
Yeah.
Or on our Instagram, twochefs.food. And we would love to see what you guys make.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe if you got anything positive out of it. Hit us with a thumbs up. We'll see you guys next time.
Peace.
Later.
Try a fat bomb.
Try something new.
You're so off.
Where do I go back that way?
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Well, dude, you're whipping coconut oil on me. Be careful.
Do it with